How to triple-click side button on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you. Scroll down to the General section and go to Accessibility shortcut. Over here, go to the triple-click the side button for section. This screen lists tools such as VoiceOver, Zoom, Magnifier, and AssistiveTouch and more. Tap on the features you want to include so a check appears next to each one. For example, Magnifier. If you change your mind, tap on an item again to remove its check. Scroll through the list to review all available options and add as many as you need. Now, go back to the home screen and triple-click the side button. The accessibility shortcuts that you chose will now come up on the screen. Choose the one you want to open from here. As you can see, the Magnifier tool will then open. Following these steps, you can easily triple-click side button on iPhone.